So we have the height of a triangle to be 2 meters more than the base. So that means the height, right? If I add to the base 2 meters, they're going to be the same. Okay, and we know that the area of a triangle is going to be base times height divided by 2. And if this area is equal to 17.5, notice that if I multiply both sides by 2, I get that the base times the height, right, is equal to then 35. Okay. Now replacing this, we get base times base plus 2 is equal to 35. So expanding this out, you end up getting b squared plus 2b. Moving this over is minus 35. Okay. So you can graph this, right? And one way to do it is realizing that you can factor this, so it's b plus 7, b minus 5. Okay. Then this is going to be a graph where you have 5 here and minus 7. This will be when it's 0. Okay. So then it's a parabola that looks like this. Right? But notice that, right, that means the base is minus 7 or 5, but can we have a negative base? Okay, the answer is no. Okay, so the answer is that the base must be 5.